Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me iPhone 15 Plus device, and now I'm gonna show you how to create the backup, local backup using iTunes on Windows. To do it, you just need to open iTunes on your Windows device. iTunes making backups automatically without your any actions from your side. So you just need to connect your iPhone to your computer. Here you will see the iPhone logo, and as you can see now, it have not created the backup, but it's only because I have nothing new in my iPhone. But if you have no automatically backup right now, if iTunes is not backing up the iPhone when you have connected your iPhone, you just need to open this iPhone mode and click backup now. Wait a while. Here you have see the progress of the backing up. Great, that's it. You have backed up your iPhone, and when you will want to restore the backup, you can click restore the backup. You will need to disable the Find My, and then here you will see the list of all available backups. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.